Happy New Year's, guys. Jimbo here. Just had a fun session at the Green Valley. And we also swung by the, what's that, Sunset? Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Please comment. It was a mix of bubble craps, becoming a hero to my wife. Always feels good when I do that, and the little bit of live crab, and the little bit of the good old slot machine, old one too. I think it's a classic slot machine. So, hey, please enjoy.
Cash me out! Yeah!
Print the freaking ticket, biatch!
Print the ticket, biatch!
Kevin, what do you want to say?
Here!
It's okay.
Come on, come on, come on!
Hey, Jimbo from Dragon Bubble Crap here. Check out my new hat, man. Pretty cool design here. All right, I am here at Green Valley Station Casinos because Hunter Killer said that there's no VIG here on the crappers. So I'm here with none other than my wife.
Hi, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year's, baby. Hey, gorgeous. So you ready to rock and roll?
Yes.
All right. So what's your goal today? You just want to double that $100?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well,
Let's go for it.
Let's go for it.
Let's go for it.
Okay, start off with the new year with a bang.
Yeah. All right. I don't know if I can. It'd be better if I zoom in. Yeah, maybe that's better, huh? It might be shaking a little much, though. Oh, look at the bat. She's ready to go.
Come on, come on, come on.
Ooh, snake eye.
All right, let's do this. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my God.
What?
Wow,
Oh, that was horrible.
That was terrible.
That was
All
horrible,
right.
baby.
Let's try it again. My goodness, this happened before. I'd be down a couple $100 and make it back up.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Don't forget, here you can buy, okay?
I can buy. Yes,
Yeah, you
I
can
did.
buy.
I did buy.
Yeah, so you see how it's not asking you for
For
VIC
the
commission?
commission, it was a quarter.
No, all of
25
them
cents.
buy, baby. All of them buy except 6 and 8, gorgeous.
Oh yeah.
You already forgot.
There's a habit
No,
now.
all of them except 6 and 8.
Yeah, 6 and 8.
Yeah, you already forgot. Oh my gosh. All right,
Come on, come on, come on.
that's how we do it. 5. All right, let's go.
All right, I have $10 left.
I hope
so
you have a
that's it.
monster roll, baby. Monster roll for Happy New
roll.
Year's.
A monster roll. Let's get monster roll.
What the freak, baby?
Okay, I guess I gave it a whirl.
That was okay. I'll give it a try. Okay.
Oh my goodness,
I-
that was just terrible.
Let's see if I can become a hero or down a couple hundred.
Already.
What
geez.
the hell? 2 rolls.
I know. It didn't even last
Yeah,
that long.
your hand, gorgeous.
Oh,
Okay,
there we go.
you gotta switch the. Yeah.
There we go. Okay.
Jeez! Wow, 2
Two
rolls.
rolls.
2 rolls, and you were done. All right, so you know me. I gotta do 150. I like to do 150. So let's go.
All right, you can do
So
this.
200 in, 100 out. I'm ready, just in case. Okay.
Maybe.
The
I
roll was
just
pretty
warming
good.
up.
I mean, you didn't show the previous rolls. I mean,
The roll was
decently.
really good. Yeah. Look at that.
And then it just, which button did you press? This one?
Yes.
Okay, maybe I'll change it up. 1, 2, 2, 1. Money maker. 9.
9.
All right.
Down behind. Single the field.
Single the field, baby. All right, so now we go 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Five, 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 five. All right, let's go. Hardly bounces. Finally hit some numbers. Good job.
Yep, that was a 6.
All right,
Maybe let's just get them warmed
let's
up.
go.
Kevin, what do you want to say?
Heart
Hard
4.
Wow. look at
There we
that.
go. There you go. Heart 4 gives me $5 there. I still got some money. All right, let's go. Come on. 9 point.
9.
All right.
Yeah, it was just warming up, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so.
Third time's a charm.
Come on. 8. All right, easy 8. This won't let me get this thing out of there.
Oh, have to
Yeah,
wait
so you
for
gotta
it.
move it or like that.
Oh,
So this one is like Greg's bubble crab, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
Come on, come on.
6. Ooh, 6 for 30. All right. All right. Let's go to 50. Let's go to 5 on that one. I got $10 left. Boom, boom. Let's go. Oh man, that sucked.
Oh,
I made it up to 300.
wow. Okay.
I made it up to 300. I was trying to go for the moon. But I don't know if I like that bounce though. Look, that one looked
That was
decent.
a high bounce.
Mid bounce. That one was decent. All right, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. No, I mean, it's just, I want to see if I can control it, right?
Well, that's why I softly touch it.
Well, like I said, come on, 8. Oh no, this max bet time here. Come on, 4.
4.
All right. Max bet there. Oh, that's too much. Let's bet some on a hard way.
Okay.
How about deuce, baby?
Come on, come on, come on.
8 again. Nice.
How about some extreme numbers?
Huh?
That would be sweet. If we get
Extreme
some
numbers?
Extreme numbers, huh?
Extreme number would be sweet, but hey, how about another 8?
Yeah.
Come on. 6. 20 point. That was a point. All right. So that was a point. So let's,
Up to 236.
yeah, let's go. Let's go. Can I double this?
I think so.
Yeah? All right, let's go. Come on. Everything looks good. Let's go.
All right, let's do this.
Yo, 11.
They're both
There's your
extreme
extreme numbers.
All right.
5, 5, 5, 5. And then let's go 5, 5. Right? That looks good?
That looks
Oh,
good.
let's go.
Let's do it again.
12. Say, I pressed $5 on there.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. Look at that. We just made it.
Wow.
I got my money back. All right? I got my money back. So what are we doing?
No, you tell me.
I don't know. What are we doing? Shit. Do we keep on risking it? Do we keep on going for it? Or do we stop? One more roll. Come on, yo. Yo, 11 for 20.
Oh,
$20,
wow.
baby.
That's super awesome. Look at that.
428.
Wow.
Do I keep on going?
Ooh,
Do I keep on going? Should I keep on going?
I would say yes, but I would say no too.
What do you mean? You would say yes, but you would say no.
No, that's just me.
What does that mean? I would say yes, but I would say no.
For you, it's always yes.
What am I saying? 428. 428. 428. 428. Let me be a hero to my wife. Jaga, look. I didn't press the button.
I didn't even touch. Oh my
Jesus!
God, you too.
For 20. I didn't press the button.
touch the button. Oh my my goodness.
Oh shit, he's doing it again.
Oh my
Tanya, what are
gosh.
you doing? What are you doing? Are you pressing it?
Oh, you know what? I pushed a
Oh
side
my
button.
gosh, you crazy woman.
My
Oh, you crazy woman. Let me cash out. Oh, we hit the high. We hit the... You know, Cruising Craft did the same thing.
I didn't realize
You know
I
that
was touching the side
Sandy accidentally keep on pressing the button from the
I
side
thought
while
it was
she's
being
screaming,
possessed.
and they were wondering why is this playing?
I thought it was being possessed or something like that. What the hell?
No, I got scared after the aces. It rolled right away, so I was like, oh my gosh.
Ah.
All right, baby, we made our money.
Wow, look at that. It hit all the high there.
We made our money plus the 175, and we still got high.
$3.
And somebody told me, stop betting. You can bring it all down and just see if we can hit that.
All right, let's
Right?
do that.
All right. So use your booty and then hit that side button because you've been
Really?
doing it. I don't know how you've been doing. Yeah, like
Like
that.
that.
That's what
Like,
you're
oh
doing.
my goodness.
Let me see. Let me see.
Nine.
Let me see. Okay. Let me show you how she was doing it. Okay.
I was going like that.
She was doing that. Do it again, baby.
Six.
Do it again. Keep on doing it.
Six. Okay. And then I was doing that again. I was like, whoa. And then go
Oh,
back and
man.
forth. 7.
It freaked the crap out of me. I was like, what the hell?
It kind of worked out for her. Ooh,
but-
my goodness, kind of worked out. I was like,
Yeah, it worked out, but Jesus, baby, it scared me because
Oh, my
we were
goodness.
we were so
we're
close.
so close.
Yeah.
And look at that, 645, 48.
645, 48. So we had 500 in profit,
Profit.
145 profit. Cash me out, biatch. All right, guys. So I see. I can be a hero to my wife. I can be a hero to my wife. Oh my gosh, she scared the shit out of me. Oh. But hey, I'm glad we got through it. You know, for me, obviously, I'm glad that we found out the cause, right? The cause for those actions. There's no way the machine's just gonna freaking start rolling by itself, right? Hopefully not. All right, man. Let me cash this out. Maybe I'll play some live crap, maybe. So I just wanted to check it out here and see if, you know, if that was true. With there's no commission on the crap list, unlike the Durangos or most of the station casinos now. So
what the
hopefully
hell?
they reverted back to the no commissions at the Durango. You know, my host says he's gonna look into it, but I don't know.
Yeah, that's
So
just
we'll see.
terrible. I
We'll
mean,
see.
You don't see that much traffic over there anymore after that.
What do you,
Kind of like
Well, hey,
turn
yo.
off. What's that?
oh, what are you doing?
Nothing. I'm not doing
You
that.
you got your thingy taken out and stuff. All right, y'all. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna play it or not, but we'll see. Okay, because it's right now. We just came back from breakfast, so you know, it's too early to gamble, right? So I just wanted to check this place out, and I might hit the one on the Sunset and see if that's the same way over there also. All right, man. I don't want to say Jimbo out, but Jimbo out. We hit something. This is an old machine. We put $20 in. Look at that. She got $52.90 on the stinking rich. We're at the Sunset, by the way. Whoa. That's 100 line, $1. Basically $1. Whoa. All right, gorgeous. You gotta play a little bit more, I suppose. Tied you up?
Yes.
Oh, look at that. We put 20 in there. Ooh, $70. something again?
240.
Yeah, 240. Wow, you imagine if we maxed it out to $5. That would be nice. What is that?
I don't know, a trash for...
You made a noise, but I guess you can.
I don't know what trash for cash?
I don't know what that is, but that's not what you want, so it doesn't matter. I mean, you're winning something.
I am. You know, I've never played this before.
Yeah. Never.
I can't believe they still have these old games and stuff like that.
Ah, man. That is interesting. What is that called?
Oh, garlic.
I can't do this. Okay, so let me pause. Alright, guys.
We are back with the mic on so that this video doesn't get copyrighted. We're at the bowling alley, dude. You see the bowling alley way out there? Look. $20 in, she's still up. So let's go. Money. I wanna see the scatter hit one time. Where's the free spin stuff? Yeah, I wanna see the free spin stuff. You think you're gonna hit free spin? Okay. I hope so too. Big money. Big money. Oh, that one paid $4.90. $4.90. Alright. Money. So I wonder if I can. I wonder if I can use my stands here. No. I don't know what that was. I gotta hold it like this or something. Where's the camera? camera's over there, so that's interesting. Nothing so far. That's interesting. Camera is over here, yet it's capturing the on there. Maybe it needs to be zoomed in a little bit more. There we go. Uh-oh. Big money. Sorry guys, I didn't bring the stand. Uh-oh, you're going down. I am going down. Big money. Oh, there we go. What is that? Oh, it doesn't go like that, I guess. So this thing has a limit. That should have been something, damn it. Right, so I must recruit.
Hey yo, this is pretty interesting. Here they have 5 tables, like so, 5 tables, and then some are crapless, some are regular. They're not separated. Oh, that's kind of weird.
Oh, I
Yeah.
didn't notice that.
Yeah, that's why I was like, oh,
Sit
that's
here.
interesting.
Okay.
Wow, that roll looks terrible. See, okay, so let's just put 15 there.
Okay. Give me your card. Okay.
It doesn't want to go in. Now let's see. Try to buy. See that? No, we're not playing that. So print the card. Yeah. There's no reason to play here when we could play it at Durango for the same shoe, right? So now that's damn shameful. Oh, I'm sorry. So that's kind of weird. So why is Green Valley's the only one that they haven't just got around to upgrading the software? Is that what it is?
I have no idea.
I don't know either. Maybe.
Maybe to make it more attractive, more people go there. I don't know.
I
But this is
don't.
a pretty good sized casino, though.
So did you want to play one time or
No,
no?
I'm
No?
good.
Oh, okay.
I played Stinking Rich. I'm up 30, so I'm ahead.
Oh yeah. Well, let's continue. Look around and see what else they got. I guess we're only halfway, right? All right, y'all.